Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive, and today we're going to take a look at a 2016 Chevy Malibu LT. Stock number is A7977A. Starting right away up front, you can see those nice chrome accents in the grille and surrounding the Chevy logo. A look down the passenger side, you have nice clean alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with Pirelli tires. Inside, a combination of leather and cloth interior makes for a very comfortable ride. There's no rips or stains on any of the seats here. Looking at the back seats as well, you'll see much of the same. Very clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side before we swing around to the back end. On the back, we're going to be taking a look in the trunk. There's plenty of room as well as a 60-40 split on the back seats. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, usual power amenities here on the door. On the steering wheel, you have audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Right here at your fingertips, very accessible. A full touchscreen includes your stereo. You have your climate controls here, and then of course your automatic transmission. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Malibu on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.